Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Trastra.com offers a unique blend of cryptocurrency and traditional finance, allowing users to seamlessly bridge the gap between these two worlds. One of the standout features is their prepaid Visa card, which empowers users to spend their cryptocurrency holdings directly in real-world scenarios, just like using a regular debit card. This functionality effectively transforms digital assets into spendable currency, eliminating the often complex process of converting crypto to fiat before making purchases. Trastra's platform emphasizes user-friendliness, aiming to simplify the often daunting world of cryptocurrency management. They achieve this by providing a clear and intuitive interface that facilitates easy navigation and transaction execution. Users can buy, sell, and exchange various cryptocurrencies directly on the platform, streamlining the entire process. Security is a paramount concern for Trastra, and they implement robust measures to protect user funds and information. These measures include advanced encryption technology and multi-factor authentication protocols, helping to ensure the safety and integrity of user accounts. Furthermore, Trastra provides a dedicated mobile application, allowing users to manage their cryptocurrency and card activity on the go. This mobile accessibility enhances convenience and allows for greater flexibility in managing finances. Users can track their balances, transactions, and card usage directly from their smartphones. The integration of a prepaid Visa card with a comprehensive cryptocurrency platform positions Trastra as a versatile tool for both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers to the digital asset space. It provides a practical way to utilize cryptocurrency in everyday life, eliminating many of the barriers typically associated with crypto spending. Trastra's focus on security, user-friendly design, and mobile accessibility further solidifies its position as a compelling option in the evolving landscape of fintech.